There are countless AI tools available, but passive income only requires mastery of 4 essential categories: text, image, video, and automation. Text generation AI helps you write anything: ebooks, blog posts, product descriptions, social captions, scripts, landing pages, and marketing emails. Image AI produces brand kits, logos, thumbnails, merch designs, and visuals for digital products. Video AI helps you create YouTube content, faceless videos, reels, ads, explainers, and edits without filming or recording. And automation tools tie everything together, allowing your content, products, and marketing systems to run 24/7. These 4 categories give you everything you need to build dozens of passive income streams at speed and scale. Once you learn how to combine them, you will be unstoppable. Text generation AI is the backbone of your passive income machine. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can create high-quality content in seconds. From ebooks to SEO blogs, newsletters, scripts, templates, and social media posts. They also serve as powerful research assistants, analyzing competitors, uncovering profitable niches, generating keyword strategies, and crafting product concepts. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate polished content with a single prompt. For YouTube channels, Text AI can script entire videos. For digital products, it can brainstorm, outline, and draft your materials. For affiliate marketing, it produces comparison charts, product reviews, and optimized landing pages. The speed advantage is massive. Tasks that took days now take minutes. This category alone can produce entire income streams. Image generation AI tools allow you to produce professional-grade visuals instantly. Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI can create everything from logo concepts to merch artwork, product covers, thumbnails, illustrations, and full brand identities. These tools eliminate the need for Photoshop or design expertise. You simply describe what you want, refine the style, and download the result. For digital product creators, you can design printable templates, planners, workbooks, checklists, and Notion kits in minutes. For print-on-demand stores, Image AI becomes your personal merch designer, generating thousands of t-shirt ideas, poster graphics, or sticker packs. For content creators, it produces scroll-stopping thumbnails and ad creatives. Image AI gives you the creative firepower of a full design team without the cost. Video AI tools have completely changed how content creators produce videos. Platforms like Runway, Pika Labs, Descript, and Veed allow you to create full videos without cameras, microphones, or editing skills. You can upload a script and instantly generate a professional video complete with visuals, transitions, animated text, voiceovers, and captions. Faceless YouTube automation has become one of the most profitable passive income models, and it is powered by these tools. You can turn one script into multiple videos for different platforms, dramatically increasing reach and revenue potential. For social media, video AI helps create reels, shorts, ads, explainers, and educational clips. Video content is the most powerful driver of online traffic, and AI removes all the friction in producing it at scale. Automation AI is what transforms your content and digital products into true passive income systems. Tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N connect all your platforms, your store, email list, social accounts, blog, YouTube channel, CRM, analytics, and more. You can automate posting schedules, email sequences, onboarding, product delivery, analytics tracking, notifications, and lead generation. AI-based chatbots and custom agents can answer questions, handle customer support, and respond instantly to inquiries. Once your workflows are built, they run around the clock, requiring almost no ongoing effort. Automation is the hidden superpower behind passive income because it removes repetitive tasks from your daily life. Combined with text, image, and video AI, automation becomes the final piece of your fully autonomous income machine.